So you're thinking about moving to St. Augustine, Florida, but you kind of like to be near St. John's at the top of the county of St. Johns County. And you've heard about this fantastic community called Silverleaf. I've done several videos on Silverleaf. There's several builders in here. Today I'm going to cover Brook Forest, that community by Dreamfinders Homes. Here in Brook Forest, they are building townhomes, single-family homes, and villa homes. Today I'm going to focus on the villa homes. I think villa homes are an incredible value. You're basically getting a house. It's just connected to another house with a common wall. What's so cool about it is all of your exterior maintenance is included in your monthly HOA. And this community, in addition, is going to have its own amenity center. It's going to have a lap pool, a lagoon pool, tot lot, spray park, splash zone, pickleball courts, dog park, all that stuff. And it's right here, walking distance from where you live. So I'm going to take you on a look through this model home behind me here, which is amazing. And I'm also going to take you not on a tour of a portalet. I'm going to take you on a tour of a one-story duplex as well. You're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. Now I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of these amazing Manatee villas behind me here. These are one-story. Again, this is not an age-restricted community. They sell here in Brook Forest single-family homes, townhomes, and villas. And I'm featuring the villas because they are really an incredible value compared to the same square footage that you would look for in a single-family home, at least $50,000 lower. You're getting very close to a single-family home. You do have a shared wall, but within this community, all of the exterior maintenance is included in your monthly HOA, so you have no lawn maintenance, no pressure washing, everything on the outside is included. So you want to check these out, I think. Let's go. So you're going to have a beautiful pavered driveway and walkway up to the side entrance of your villa home. This is a natural gas community, so you're going to have a tankless hot water heater and a gas range. This is all cementitious siding on the exterior here, so very nice exterior. You're going to have 9-foot ceilings in here. Beautiful door with lots of light coming in. So let's go to our left. This will be bedroom number 1, and even though you see these double doors on here, this is a true bedroom because it has doors, a window, and a closet. But you and I know you could always use this as an office if you wanted to, of course. Coming forward, this will be where your HVAC is. This is a split bedroom plan. So you're gonna have 2 bedrooms forward, and the owner suite will be in the back of the home. All right, coming up the hallway, you have this nice handy pocket door here, and this is the laundry room. And we're gonna go forward. This will be bedroom number 2. And the ceiling fans are already installed in these. And again, this is a quick move-in, and you can buy these now. They are taking offers on these, and they have some incredible incredible incentives on these right now. reach out to me. I'd be glad to fill you in on those. All right, here we are back at the front of the home, back at the entrance. And as you enter, you have the kitchen right here. Beautiful kitchen. Look at the shape of this island. Beautiful shape. Of course, they've got Whirlpool stainless steel appliances in here. You have a set of wall ovens, white shaker cabinets with crown molding. Beautiful tiled backsplash. There's your gas burner stove and a fully vented hood. Looking back at your island with your undermount sink, stainless steel dishwasher. This will be your pantry. Looking back at the front of the home. Looking out on your quite sizable backyard. And folks, that's preserved, so this is on a preserved lot. There's a gas stub over there for a gas stove if you want to have one outside, gas cook stove, gas grill. And here we are at the owner's suite. And this is carpeted, but this is a beautiful, nice grade and shade of carpet. Feels wonderful under my feet. You have a beautiful tray ceiling here. Nice windows looking out onto your preserved backyard, which you don't have to mow or water or edge or fertilize or any of that stuff. The HOA takes care of it with your monthly dues. So here we are in the owner's bathroom. You have dual sinks, beautiful tiled floor. You have a walk-in shower with a tiled shower pan and tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Water closet is over here on your right, and this is the walk-in closet. So you have a beautiful pavered driveway. That's your 2-car garage. Walkway coming up. Beautiful entryway and covered porch. Gorgeous front door. Again, you're having 9-foot ceilings inside the home here. Looking back at the front entrance. Have a stairway going upstairs with nice hardwood treads on it. Hardwood railing. And it looks like they have luxury vinyl plank flooring. Turning to the right, they have this set up for dining right here. Coming to this gorgeous kitchen. White shaker cabinets with crown molding. This will be your pantry entrance out from your garage. This will be your powder room. Tiled backsplash. They have can lights all throughout the ceilings in here. Gas cook stove with a ventilated hood. at the main living area of your villa. Triple slider glass door, looking back at your covered porch and your backyard that you don't have to maintain yourself because the HOA takes care of that for you as part of your HOA dues. Here we are at the owner's suite here on the first floor. Beautiful. We are in the bathroom of the owner's suite. You have dual sinks here. There's your walk-in closet. Nice frameless walk-in shower. Tile all the way up to the ceiling. And you got your water closet here to the right. I am looking down at the top of the stairs, looking down at the first floor. You have a little landing right there. Beautiful window letting in natural light. Here at the top of the stairs, you have a gorgeous loft area. And to your right, this is the laundry room where your washer and dryer would go. Walking forward, you've got a linen closet, and this is full bathroom number 2 with dual sinks and a tub shower combination tiled up to the ceiling. And this will be bedroom number 2. Looking out on your backyard. It's got a walk-in closet. Where your HVAC is, and that floor is tiled in there. And at the end of the hall, we turn right, and we are at bedroom number 3, which has its own very nice walk-in closet. Across the hall is bedroom number 4. We've got sea life there on the wall. Very cool. And its own walk-in closet. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Brook Forest community by Dreamfinders Homes. We featured the villa homes, but they also sell single family homes in here and townhomes too. If any of those interest you, villa homes, single family homes, or townhomes, and you want to live in Silverleaf at a great price, reach out to me. We're going to put my phone number and email address up on the screen. Just give me a text. Sometimes that's the easiest way to reach me. Whatever's easiest for you works for me. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.